yard right now. Here you go, another 3500. Look like 05 Express. I swear it's the same dude's doing it over and over again. 6.0 4L80E chopped. Now this one wasn't like a smoother cut. Well, it might be. Every single time. I wasn't looking for this one, but the first 6 I saw, I said, fuck it. I'll show you guys what it looked like. I'm at the huge yard today. Trying to get Steve Davis to check this one out. That was probably another 6. Denali. Just checking out these trucks because I gotta walk through here to get to what I really came for. And then my Chevys. Sorry if there's any wind noise. I didn't bring my dead cat. What's this one? 5.3 862. The grass and grew since last time I've been here. This is normally all dirt. Get a little intake. Anyway, when I get there, I'll hit you boys back. This is what we actually came for. But it's a dud. Get your Pontiac G6. From the picture, when you look at the roof, I was thinking maybe it had the panoramic. Because I saw like a little piece of the glass, but I wanted to see what it was. This is a GTP also. You know, GTP got those nice leather heated power seats. But someone got to it already. They took the back seats, front seats, everything nice. Gone. Motherfuckers even took the speakers. This is the same yard I saw the other GTP seats that I left. I had that black leather. It was nice. I should have took it. And as far as the sunroof, it's just the normal sunroof. It's not your 4-stage. I probably could use that button, but I'm holding out for the 4-stage panoramic. But this has been here since like middle of July. And I always try to keep an eye out for the GTPs because I have more luck with the panoramic with these. Yeah, another G6 right next to it. This is a V6 though. No roof. Cloth interior. I wonder how many more they got over here. Cavalier ragtop. Man, it's like 92 degrees, but it's like cloudy and breezy, and it feels like it's, I don't know, like high 70s. don't even know how to explain it. But it's 92 and breezy. It feels good. But I left the other junkyard to come check this out because this one had potential of being a panoramic. But I'll get one. I think there's a few more out here. This is a giant yard. This is the one that goes on and on. All the way up there. All the way to the back. And their Chevy section is insane, the whole GM section. This whole entire side is GM. All the way to the back. Tons of Camaros, Impalas, Monties. They don't have any Caprices though, not the 70s, 80s that I'm looking for. Got your Monty, Skylark. Damn. There's a cool like 50s truck parked up front. I want to try and hurry up, get back and record a little bit of it. Has that Ruspatina short bed. I've never seen a Dodge truck like that. Good old Cadillac. Is that a Rivy? That's a Century. Like vinyl seats. It's 95 Century. But anyway, if I find anything good, I'll hit your boys back. I haven't eaten all day. Oh, there we go. That's that. I think that's the one I saw last time I was out here. Look like they got the seats this time. No, this is a different one. And the seats are here. That's ripped. Last time I was here, it was the black interior. With the same, I want to say it was all black. I don't think it had the gray in it. I mean, that's fixable. Because these are the heated and power. So you got your heat and your power. So that one has potential. I would like to find one already intact. And you get to fold down. So I'm gonna take the bottom of it. Yeah, this is a different one. I think the other one was all black, with all black interior. And it was like, I want to say that one. That's not it. But anyway, if I find anything good, I'll hit you back. I probably won't, because it's getting late. But let's see what we find. Before I go, I want to show you this truck. was a Dodge truck, probably like a 50s or 40s. Slam down. Got GPS, navigation, head scoop. Nice truck now. Anyway, this is your boy Catloco. This is like a second year out of hit. It's 92 degrees. I still got a little garage cleanup to do. There's another fail. I mean, I'll find a panoramic roof. Just that it's hard. There's always a G6, but they never have them. But anyway, it's your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.